But before
Anastasia na kami basketball na dis.
So first we cheer for Sassy. First, let's hear a cheer. Sassy!
Sassy! Sassy! Sassy! Sassy!
And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let's hear a cheer. Rocky! Rocky!
Rocky! Rocky!
Alright, so number 20. Number 20, set, go!
Wow!
Followed by Sassy.
Sassy! Sassy! Sassy!
And set time. And for the last one, Rocky wins. Trainer now, what can you say about that? You guys use this time. Hold it. We want another race. Oh, she won another race, Trainer Jerry.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Uh-oh.
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race